Marcus Aurelius was not just a Roman emperor, but also a philosopher, one who ruled the most powerful empire of his time while quietly reflecting on how to live a good life. His private journal, now called Meditations, wasn't meant to be read by anyone, but today, it's one of the most powerful pieces of Stoic wisdom. In this video, we'll break down 12 harsh truths Marcus Aurelius believed every human must accept. They may sting at first, but if you internalize them, they can transform your life. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Marcus constantly reminded himself of death, not out of fear, but clarity. Most people live as if they have unlimited time. We delay our dreams, postpone forgiveness, and stay trapped in meaningless routines. But death is the ultimate deadline. Every moment you waste is a moment you never get back. Accepting this doesn't make you depressed, it makes you intentional. You can't control other people, your past, or what the world throws at you. But what you can control is how you respond to it all. Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. If someone insults you, you decide whether to feel hurt. If plans fall apart, you choose your next step. Your mind is the only battlefield that matters." Marcus observed that people often act from ignorance or pain. When another blames you or hates you, go to their soul, penetrate inside, and see what sort of person they are. People will betray, disappoint, or criticize you, but reacting with hatred only multiplies the pain. Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It's realizing that protecting your peace is more important than proving you're right. Think about what stressed you out last month. Can you even remember it? Marcus said, if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Our minds create mountains out of molehills. Anxiety becomes a habit. Stoicism teaches us to observe our thoughts, not obey them. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 days, 5 months, 5 years? Consider the people who pursue praise. See what their minds are like. In Marcus's time, fame meant statues and songs. Today, it's likes and followers, but the craving for attention is a trap. The more you feed it, the more it controls you. True freedom is living by values, not validation. Marcus urges us to chase character, not clout. Truth number 6. No one owes you anything. Marcus never assumed life would be fair, and neither should you. You weren't promised a perfect childhood, loyal friends, or a smooth career. When you stop expecting life to be easy, you free yourself to become strong. Entitlement is poison. Responsibility is power. Ask not, why me? Ask, what now? Mid-video hook. Which of these truths hit you the hardest so far? Comment below. I read every one. Truth number 7. You're a tiny part of a vast universe. Look at the stars. Billions of galaxies. Trillions of lives. And yet we obsess over petty drama and fragile egos. Marcus wrote, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Zooming out humbles you. It also liberates you. Your problems feel smaller. Your mission feels clearer." Truth number 8. Comfort will ruin you. It is not death that a man should fear, but never beginning to live. Comfort makes us soft. Challenge builds character. Every time you choose discipline over desire, you grow. Marcus led armies and ruled an empire, but he never sought luxury. Real strength is forged in discomfort. Truth number 9. Success is doing your duty, not winning. Success isn't applause. It's integrity. Marcus believed in doing the right thing, even when it was hard, even when it hurt. He said, just that you do the right thing. The rest doesn't matter. You may not always get the outcome you want, but you can always control the effort you give. Live by principle, not popularity. Truth number 10. Your emotions lie to you. Emotions are signals, not facts. Just because you feel angry doesn't mean someone wronged you. Just because you feel anxious doesn't mean danger is real. Marcus wrote, if you are pained by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your own judgment. Question your emotions. Don't be ruled by them. Question your emotions. Don't be ruled by them. Truth number 11. You are what you repeatedly do. Your habits shape your destiny, not your wishes, not your dreams. Marcus asked, what is it in ourselves that we should prize most? Our capacity for rational thought, justice, and truth. That's not a one-time event. It's a daily choice. What are you practicing every day? Discipline or distraction? Excellence is a habit. Truth number 12. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Revenge feels good for a moment, but it chains you to the same pain. Marcus believed in rising above, not sinking to their level. He said, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Forgiveness doesn't excuse the wrong. It frees you from becoming the wrong. Stay kind, stay noble, stay you. Marcus didn't write for an audience. He wrote to hold himself accountable. His truths were his tools for surviving chaos, loss, betrayal, and temptation. We live in a noisy world, but his quiet voice still cuts through. These 12 truths are harsh, because life is harsh, but within them lies a code, a path to peace, power, and purpose. If this video gave you a new perspective, subscribe to Mural Animations for more timeless wisdom made simple. Like, share, and comment. Which truth did you need to hear today? Until next time, live with purpose and practice what Marcus preached.